Hello everyone! It's time to install Kali Linux, but this time with half the work using a pre-built Kali machine. Open up a browser and head to Kali's official website, kali.org. On their homepage, click the download button. On the next screen, click on the virtual machine recommended button. You will see the various virtual machines that Kali can be operated from, and the tool you choose depends on the tool you have installed already. I have VirtualBox on my Windows PC, so that is the tool we will be using for this tutorial. Let's click on the blue arrow to start the download. While we wait for our download, notice that we have a .7z file. What that means is we will need to extract the files within this folder in order to use them. And on Windows, that means we will need a special tool, such as a file archiver, to do so. We can do this easily by heading to 7zip.org. On their homepage, click the download link. Next, navigate to your downloads file and double-click the 7zip folder. When the setup box appears, click Install. 7zip should install itself almost instantly. With 7zip installed, let's navigate to our Kali file. Right-click the file, and when prompted, select the Extract All option. Then hit Extract. Now that our file has been extracted, we are left with an AMD64 file. If we look further into the file, we can see our virtual machine setup and our disk image. Now we can finish installing Kali onto VirtualBox. Let's open up VirtualBox and then select the green plus sign to add our Kali machine. Locate your Kali AMD file and double-click the folder or select Open until you reach the .vbox file. Select it to complete the install. And voila! Kali is set up and configured for instant use. Let's go ahead and make a few adjustments. Let's add more base memory so that we can run Kali's apps with minimal issues. Adding more processors will help Kali run smoother as well. Let's ensure that bidirectional is set up for both the shared clipboard and the drag and drop option. These options will allow us to copy and paste to and from our host computer and our VM. Let's ensure that NAT is already selected, which will allow us to connect to our available internet source. Everything else looks good. Let's take a look at the bottom here and notice that there is already a default username and a default password that we can use to log in. With that information in mind, let's hit the start arrow. And here we will press enter. Otherwise, Kali will start up on its own. Enter your default username and password to log in. And there you have it, a Kali Linux pre-built virtual machine, and you still get all the perks with half the work.